Investing in a Mahindra Manulife mutual fund involves several key steps. Here's how you can do it. Research funds. Visit the Mahindra Manulife mutual fund website or consult a financial advisor to explore the various mutual funds available. Review their investment objectives, risk profiles, and historical performance. Choose a fund. Select a mutual fund that aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Mahindra Manulife offers a range of funds, including equity, debt, and hybrid funds. Open an account. If you don't have an account, you will need to open one. This can typically be done online through the Mahindra Manulife website or by visiting an authorized distributor or branch. Complete KYC process. Fulfill the Know Your Customer requirements by submitting necessary documents like ID proof, address proof, and a recent photograph. KYC can be done online or at a designated center. Fill out the application form. Complete the mutual fund application form with your personal details, investment amount, and chosen fund. This form is available on the Mahindra Manulife website or through financial intermediaries. Make the investment. Submit the application form along with the investment amount. You can invest via various payment methods like bank transfer, check, or online payment. Receive confirmation. After processing, you will receive a confirmation receipt or email indicating your investment in the mutual fund. Monitor your investment. Regularly review your investment's performance through the Mahindra Manulife portal or through statements sent to you.